If you spend a lot of time in the kitchen, you know how quickly things can get cluttered. It's all too common to see overflowing utensil drawers and stacks of dishes teetering precariously on the counter. But don't worry, there's good news. We've got not just one, but 12 solutions to help you manage all your kitchen essentials, from utensils and tools to appliances and equipment. And the best part, these options won't break the bank. So let's dive into the first item on our list of 12 DIY small kitchen storage choices for cheap. As always, Simp Home has got you covered with the latest and greatest tips for organizing your kitchen. Number 12, a hanging barbecue station project idea. Looking for a unique upcoming Father's Day gift for your barbecue-loving dad or your kids' pops? Look no further than this easy DIY project. To get started, you'll need a plywood panel and a small spice rack. Sand it down and give the panel a beautiful stain using trusty kitchen paper. And if you want to go the extra mile, consider adding a personalized quote to the panel. Next, it's time to arrange a metal rod with hooks and a pair of leather handles. Before mounting, you'll want to decide on their position in relation to the spice rack. Then, simply hang the panel set using a rope or cord passed through 2 screw eyes on the top of the panel. And voila, you've got yourself a one-of-a-kind gift that your dad or your kid's dad will cherish for years to come. So fire up the grill and get ready to impress. Number 11, a wooden crate pantry to organize your fresh produce. When it comes to fresh produce, keeping fruits and vegetables out of the fridge can actually help them last longer. And with this stylish wooden crate pantry, you can store all your goodies in your kitchen. You'll need to cut and assemble the crate's structure to get started. This includes the base, sides, and back. Then add 2x2 cleats to hold the drawers in place and build the drawers themselves. Once the crate is assembled, give the entire surface a good sanding with an eccentric sander or sandpaper. Then apply a colorless sealer to protect the wood and make it shine. Finally, install the furniture and there you have it. You've got yourself a beautiful wooden crate pantry that's perfect for storing fresh veggies, fruits, and nuts. Second options. Number 10, a simple mobile storage project idea. This DIY project transforms old crates into functional, stylish organizers for under $40. Simply remove a single slat with pliers and screwdrivers, give the crates a fresh coat of paint, cut cleats to size, create 4 bases for each crate and sand them down. Trace the outline of terracotta pots onto a plank and cut out spaces for them. Assemble all the planks, crates, and cleats. Add casters to the base and place the pots on top. That's it. Now you can enjoy a new indoor gardening experience in style. Number 9, a DIY hidden kitchen shelves. Create hidden shelves in your kitchen that match the depth of your fridge or furniture and can be concealed behind curtains. Cut and paint the boards with 2 coats, then attach the shelf supports to the wall and use cross braces to connect the painted slats to create 5 shelves. Touch up any screws or flaws with the paint. Finally, hang a pair of curtains over the shelves to create a hidden storage space for a cleaner, more spacious kitchen. Number 8, a multi-purpose tiered rack project idea. Factory manufactured products, especially goods and branded ones, are mainly sold at a high price. It also applies to the unit which later inspires this DIY project. So find wood slats, white paint, and rabbit wire to make the handmade version. Cut the slats to lengths to be the frame and paint them. While waiting until they're dry, cut the rabbit wire using pliers to your need as the baskets. Stabilize the baskets by attaching a wooden strip with a stapler. Repeat this step to get 3 wire baskets and paint them all. When they're dry, place them on the shelves. Number 7, a sturdy wooden wall shelves project idea. Make your own kitchen wall shelf to meet your exact specifications. To start, cut wood planks to size for the sides of the shelf and fasten them together with screws. Assemble the shelf supports and install the backboard at your desired height. Arrange the planks as needed, then create a hanging set with brass rods and hooks for utensils. Mount the completed shelf on the wall and enjoy your personalized storage solution. Number 6, a rustic spice rack project idea. When choosing a new kitchen storage project to experiment with, style is just as important as functionality. This project is for you if you're going for a rustic look. To get started, you'll need a wooden pallet. Cut it in half so that the wooden blocks are facing outwards. Next, sand the entire surface to give it a smooth finish. To add extra flair, you can decorate the pallet with wooden letters, stencils, and hooks to hang the additional decor. Number 5. A Minimalist and Modern Open Shelves Project by Sandra Marias. Open shelving is excellent for showcasing your favorite mugs, ceramics, and glassware. If you're running out of space, consider utilizing your idle wall and mounting your shelving there. But before that, let's start making the shelving itself. Begin by sawing the planks into the desired shelf size and drilling each corner. Take the round bar and pre-drill both ends for screws later. Attach the bar to the wall using screws, ensuring to leave some space between the bar and the wall. Then slip a leather strap through that space, thread it through the holes in the shelf corner, and tie a tight knot at the underside to secure the set. Number 4. An IKEA shelf hacking project idea with a hidden table. Invest in multifunctional furniture to make the most of limited kitchen space. A pull-out countertop that you can easily hide away on your kitchen shelves is a great addition. To create this, build the counter carcass, cut doors to fit, and assemble all necessary elements. Attach metal bars as handles and connect the table and shelves with long hinges. Install legs inside the table with double locking hinges to keep it locked, closed, and open and prevent sudden falls. Note that the discontinued Expedit can be replaced with IKEA Sprout Cube shelving. Number 3. A slide-out space rack project idea. A slide-out spice rack is a faultless and straightforward makeover to do for your pantry. It provides an ease to grab your spices. First, measure your space to fit the slide-out rack and cut the planks according to those measurements. Use a box to make the frame and install a rod at both sides of every opening so the spices won't fall off. Lastly, install push-to-close hardware for the access system. Number 2. A kitchen island cart project idea with crates. Transform crates into a charming kitchen island with extra storage and worktop space. Cut plywood boards for 4 vertical dividers, 6 horizontal dividers, 1 top, 1 base, and 1 back. Arrange vertical dividers 14 inches apart on the base and secure them with brad nails. Add the top and horizontal dividers for each shelf, then install casters and place the crates inside. Label each crate with its designated ingredient for easy access. As we approach the end of our countdown, we want to remind you that our collection of home improvement ideas doesn't stop here. Simp Homes Content Collections offer a wealth of information on a variety of topics, including gardening, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrades, bedroom updates, and much more. So if you're looking for even more inspiration for your next project, be sure to check out our other collections. And as we wrap up this countdown, let's take a look at our top pick with Number 1. How to install Maximira drawer under a regular kitchen sink. Factory-made products are often incompatible with existing furniture. However, you can easily pair an IKEA Maximira drawer with a non-IKEA sink. First, ensure leak-free plumbing. Assemble the drawers according to the manual, leaving the front. Apply construction adhesive and install the slide-in drawer bottom. After it dries, install the drawer fronts. Measure the sink's depth and the length between the drawer top and cabinet bottom. Pop the drawers onto the slides and ensure they move freely. Adjust the shape of the drawer by cutting it off if necessary. With these steps, you can easily match the Maximira drawer with your sink. Well, that's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching this video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Like the video if you believe it'll motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly, though, it is more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project, and we'll see you again soon.